everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name's Ellie. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a Cherryz haul. Now, we all know I love Cherryz on this channel. I have done Cherryz hauls before, as you can see, and Cherryz have kindly gifted me some more items to do a haul with. So yeah, I am super excited to do this video today for you guys. So yeah, if you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my TikTok and my Instagram, and without further ado, let's get on into the video. Cherryz have sent me not just one massive box full of goodies, but, oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can pick up this second one. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Two massive boxes full of goodies. Like, I have got two boxes here. I can't actually pick them up. Oh, there we go. There's the other one. I don't actually know where I'm going to start because, yeah, there's just so much to choose from. Maybe we should go with the majority first, like what I've got the majority of. Cherryz have kindly given me a discount for you all. I'll display it on the screen and I'll pop it in the description down below as well. You can get 25% off your first order. The code is for first time customers only, I'm afraid, and you have to spend over £20 to use it as well. But 25% off is amazing, and you are definitely going to spend over £20 on that website because honestly, there is so much stuff on there that you don't realise that you need. Like, I was going through and I was like, yeah, I need that, yeah, I need that, oh my gosh, and then like I'd look back at my basket and be like, oh my gosh, I forgot I needed that. So yeah, I'm glad that it's on here. Like, Cherryz is so good. I love it. I call it my like little online B&M and Home Bargains, and we all know how much like we all love B&M and Home Bargains. Like, Cherryz is like that but online, and yeah, it's just amazing. It comes straight to your door. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go out to the shops. Yeah, it's perfect. I'm going to start with the cleaning stuff. Like, I love cleaning stuff. I don't have my own house yet, but I have obviously my bedroom, and I do have an ensuite bathroom as well. So I love to just get my own cleaning stuff and everything and have it all to hand in my room. But yeah, so I've picked out some stuff. My mum also picked out some stuff like she needed to like top up on. And then I got some other little bits and bobs as well. I needed some more bleach, so I got some bleach. It's just this 24-hour protection, clean and fresh, thick bleach, and it's simply pink. I just thought, yeah, it's pink. Go straight in my basket. It's bleach. I need some bleach for my toilet. So yeah, this is perfect. I needed this, so I got 2 bottles, and I don't even think it was that badly priced either. I think it was like 90p. I love anything that is by the Pink Stuff. So this is the Pink Stuff, the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. Prevents limescale, sparkling streak-free shine. I saw this and I've never seen it before, so I just thought, you know what, you're going in my basket. And then my mum saw it too and she wanted one, so I've got one and my mum's got one too. I then picked up some of these antibacterial wipes because these are perfect for wiping down my surfaces. So I always use it on my desk, I use it on my windowsill, on like my little makeup stand and bedside table over there. I use it on. These are perfect. Kitchen surfaces, waste bins, bathrooms and more. And I got them in the lemon fresh scent, and this is the Mega Value 80 wipes. These are perfect for that. I always use these. Then picked up these blue toilet blocks. Mum basically last week put a toilet block in my system of my toilet. So my toilet's an old toilet, whereas all of the other toilets in the house are quite new. So she put a blue block in my toilet because it's the only toilet that can have them in. And basically when you flush it, it flushes through blue, and I love it. I think it's so good, and it always smells so nice. So I said to her, what was it that she had? And she was like, you know what, search it on the Cherryz and they probably will have it, and they did. So I picked up some of those to put in my loo for when that one runs out. Apparently they last up to 8 weeks as well. I then got some Flash Sparkling Home Spray Wipe Done antibacterial spray because I see Anastasia raving about this all the time, and I see other people rave about this Flash all the time. So I got this also for like my surfaces in my bedroom, and obviously in my bathroom as well, like the windowsill and everything on top of the toilet. Picked this up for that, and it's a really good size bottle. This is an 800ml bottle, so it's going to last me for ages. And then I also got, well, I don't know if I got this or Mum got this, I can't actually remember. But I got this Flash Bathroom Long Lasting Shine Also for my ensuite, I think I got this because I just needed a load of stuff for my ensuite just to clean it all up. It's with Febreze Freshness, Fresh Scent, Long Lasting Shine. Yeah, just for like the toilet, the sink and the shower especially, because my shower gets disgusting. I then also picked up some Zaflora, which is the Linen Fresh Scent. I've never had any Zaflora before, but my mum uses it all the time, and I just really wanted it for like my sink in my bathroom to like just pop in there and just like let it soak with hot water, and then also just pour it down the drain and just make the bathroom smell nice. I just really wanted that. Obviously because my bathroom is in my bedroom, I just always want it to smell nice, so then it's not smelling horrid and bringing the smell into my bedroom. That's the only thing about an ensuite, isn't it? I know you can shut the door and pop it away. Then these bits are what my mum picked up. So she picked up some Comfort Ultimate Care fabric conditioner. She really likes this, and actually I really like it as well. On our clothes and everything, it smells so good. It's that ultra concentrated one, so you add some of this and then obviously dilute it with a little bit of water, and yeah, it just smells so good. And also mum taught me a little trick, you probably know this. Put some fabric conditioner in a water bottle, like a water spray bottle, and then dilute it with water, and you can spray like your bedding, your pillows, and oh my gosh, it makes them smell like they've just been freshly washed again. Like, it's amazing. So I always do that. I've got a little spray bottle in my bathroom at the minute actually, filled with some fabric conditioner and water, and yeah, just makes them smell so fresh and nice, which we all love our bedding when it's fresh bedding. Mum really likes the Fabulosa brand, so she picked up the Fabulosa Shimmering Shower Passion Fruit Scent Spray, and then she also picked up the Fabulosa Lemon Sherbet like 4-in-1 action concentrate, which is basically just like Zaflora. This one's the lemon sherbet one, and she got the passion fruit one in this. So she picked up those. Then I got this pack of Chewits. This was just in that same box. I'm just doing one box at a time. Yeah, I got a pack of Chewits just because why not? And they're in fruit salad flavour. You know what? I'm going to try one right now because I've never tried fruit salad Chewits, I don't think, ever. Can't actually remember. Oh my god, this smells so good. But I love fruit salad sweets, so yeah, I'm going to try one right now and tell you what I think. But yeah, they do sweets on there. They do, honestly, they do everything like B&M and Home Bargains do. Oh my god. Oh, they're so good. A little bit sour, you know. A little bit tangy, but wow. Now I've ate them Chewits, I just want to eat the whole pack, but I'm not going to eat any more because I know how annoying it is, the sound. So yeah, I've finished them. I've had two. I'll have some more after this video. But anyway, the next thing I picked up was some Johnson's Baby Cotton Buds. I love these things. I use these things all the time. I know they're not really that great to use for your ears, but I use them for my ears anyway. I also use these for like putting tea tree oil on my face. Like when I've got a spot, I'll put some oil on this and then onto my spot on my face. They're really good for that. And yeah, I just use cotton buds for other things other than just cleaning my ears. So yeah, they just come in handy, and I needed some more, so I picked those. Then I got some Colgate Fresh Gel toothpaste just to stock up, because I always need toothpaste and we always run out so quickly, and then you're just like, shit, I've run out of my toothpaste, I haven't got any left. So yeah, always need toothpaste, so I keep that stocked up. And then the last thing that I have in this box is this really cute little pen. Just looks like so. The little love heart on the top, just for like my little diaries, my little notepads when I'm planning my week ahead, like when I'm at work and when I'm doing my content creating days, everything like that. So yeah, that is what I use these for, and I needed a new one because mine was running out. That's everything from the first box. Now going on to the second box. So in here we have some more Fabulosa products, which is what my mum picked. So we've got this Mint Swirl Fabulosa Sparkling Glass. This is for like showers, and also for like the windows and things as well, I think. This is in the scent Mint Swirl. This probably smells amazing. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Not when you just like sniff it like that. You're probably not meant to sniff it like that. But yeah, it's definitely minty. Also, she picked up the Fabulosa Foamo Ultra Foaming Freshener and Sanitizer Sink Drain Plug Hole. I don't know what this is actually for. Perfect foaming freshener that leaves your drains with long-lasting fresh fragrance. So just like the Zaflora thing that I'm going to be doing in my drain, I think she just picked it up for that. Kills germs and bad smells. She also got the Black Cherry Merlot 4-in-1 Action Fabulosa Concentrated Disinfectant 2. Let's smell this one. I wonder what this one smells like. Black Cherry. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Wow, that reminds me of Christmas. Then I picked up one of these plug-in air fresheners for my room. So it's a Febreze Ampiper Free Volution plug. It's 3 alternating scents, so it just looks like this. I've never had one of these for my room before. Mum has one of these downstairs, I think. It's just to plug in here, so then there's just always a nice smell going about. Not that my room smells like, I'm really making out that my room smells and my bathroom smells a lot, but it actually doesn't. Like, there isn't any scent at all. But yeah, I just obviously want it to smell nice and continue to smell nice. I then picked up these plug-in for it as well. So this is the plug-in main thing. You can get like the oil scent things to go obviously inside it. So I picked up them in Cotton Fresh. I'm excited to plug this in. I'm gonna do it after this video actually. I don't know where I'm gonna put it actually because all my plugs are pretty much full. Probably put it down there so then it's behind my mirror. What is in this? I have no idea. I've got something that's wrapped up in here. So let's have a look what we've got in here. Whoa. Oh, that's why. It's because it's in a, like, tin. Mum picked up this Vanish Carpet Care. She's always wanted to try it, she said, but she's never tried it. But I want to try it on my carpet as well, actually. Gold Carpet Care and Upholstery Vacuum Up Foam. So you just spray it on the carpet and then vacuum it up. Shake well and spray. Work in foam with either a colour fast clean broom or brush or clean damp mop sponge. Leave for 2 hours or until dry and then vacuum it up. Then I picked up this Imperial Leather Cotton Clouds White Cashmere Moisturising Shower Cream. Oh, me and Sam love these Imperial Leather shower creams. They just, honestly, oh, they just smell insane. We've got a few in there at the minute, but I just thought, you know what, I'm going to pick another one up because the Cotton Cloud scent's one of our favourites. I love this. And I love the marshmallow one as well. I think they do a marshmallow one. Yeah, they do because we've got it in there. It smells insane. If you don't know, get to know because, yeah, they just leave your body smelling amazing as well. Like when you come out of the shower, you can just smell it on yourself. Of course, I had to pick up some more of my simple wipes. I think I've got these in every Cherryz haul that I've done. We all know these are my holy grail makeup wipes. I use these religiously. I love these things. Obviously, I don't just use makeup wipes to take off my makeup. These are for my base. Like, I take off my makeup with these and then I'll then go in with like Elemis cleansing balm, cleanser and toner and everything like that afterwards. But yeah, I do like using face wipes to take off like the big bulk of my makeup, just so then I'm not wasting my product that I'll use afterwards. So like say my Elemis cleansing balm on a full face of makeup that's on my face that I could take off with these that are really, really cheap. You get what I'm saying? That might have not made any sense, but yeah, I do like using makeup wipes just to take off the bulk of it, and then I'll use like my expensive cleansers and skincare things after. And then the last two things, I picked up these highlighter pens. They're just these like little pastel highlighter pens, just look like so. There's a yellow, an orange, a purple, and like a mint green. These are just going to be perfect for, again, my notepads, my diaries, for when I'm like planning my YouTube videos, doing my expenses sheet, like highlighting ingoings, outgoings, things like that. Yeah, that's what I got these for basically, just so I can colour code things and just be a bit more organised. The last thing I'm really, really excited about actually, I picked up these reusable glass straws with a straw cleaner, and they're eco-friendly too. I got these glass straws because I want to start making myself, oh my gosh, I can't get them out. I want to start making myself my own iced coffees and see them all on TikTok all the time, and it makes me so jealous. And yeah, I just love like seeing them with glass straws. Wow, these are so nice. Mum is gonna absolutely kill me because I've got plastic straws, like silicone straws, plastic straws like that, I don't use the other plastic straws because save the turtles and everything like that. I've got reusable ones. So I've got metal ones, reusable ones, I've got silicone ones, I have got the Starbucks like plastic ones that are reusable plastic. I've got big silicone ones for like milkshakes, smoothies, and then now I've got glass ones. Like literally there's a cupboard downstairs full of just different types of straws. She's gonna kill me, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Like, I'm a straw using girl, and yeah, obviously gotta have all different kinds of straws. I'm actually quite happy that these straws have come in one piece, because obviously they are glass. But yeah, they did. They arrived in one piece. So there's 2 straight ones and 2 like ones with a little bend in the top. So yeah, picked those up too. And that concludes this haul. Thank you so much to Cherryz for gifting me all this stuff. I can't believe like I've got all this stuff. I'm literally stocked up now for a really, really good while. So thank you so much for collaborating with me on this video. Please do make sure you use my discount code if you haven't already shopped on Cherryz. It is such a good website. Please make sure you go check it out. They have an app in the App Store. We'll leave a link to their website in the description down below. Also leave my discount code and obviously the rules and that to use that discount code, just so in case you forgot. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And I will see you next time for a brand new video. Bye!